The Motor Vehicles Act, 1988 is an act of the Indian Parliament which regulates all aspects of road transport vehicles. It provides provisions for licensing of drivers, registration of motor vehicles, control of their permits, traffic regulations, and penalties for traffic violations. Here are some key features and provisions of the Act. Key provisions. Licensing of drivers and conductors. 1. Specifies the requirement for driving licenses. 2. Lays down the procedure for obtaining a driving license, including learner's license and permanent license. 3. Specifies conditions for disqualifications and suspension or revocation of licenses. Registration of motor vehicles. 1. Mandates registration of all motor vehicles. 2. Details the process of vehicle registration, including issuance of registration certificates. 3. Specifies conditions for the renewal, suspension, and cancellation of registration. Control of transport vehicles. 1. Regulates the issuance of permits for transport vehicles. 2. Outlines conditions and types of permits, including goods carriage permits and passenger transport permits. Traffic regulations. 1. Provides guidelines for road safety measures. 2. Specifies the duties of drivers and pedestrians. 3. Includes provisions for the control of traffic and enforcement of road safety measures. Penalties and offences. 1. Defines various traffic violations and corresponding penalties. 2. Includes offences such as driving without a license, driving under the influence of alcohol, overspeeding, and not wearing seat belts. Insurance. 1. Mandates compulsory insurance of motor vehicles against third-party risks. 2. Details the procedure for claiming insurance and compensation for accident victims. Fitness of vehicles. 1. Requires periodic testing and certification of the roadworthiness of vehicles. 2. Specifies conditions for declaring a vehicle as unfit for use. Road Safety Councils and Committees. 1. Establishes National Road Safety Council and State Road Safety Councils. 2. Promotes research and awareness on road safety measures. Amendments. The Act has been amended multiple times to address emerging road safety issues and technological advancements. Notable amendments include 1. Motor Vehicles Amendment Act, 2019. Introduced stricter penalties for traffic violations. Enhanced provisions for the protection of Good Samaritans. Focused on promoting digitalization in licensing and vehicle registration processes. Included provisions for the regulation of cab aggregators. Implementation and enforcement. The implementation and enforcement of the Act are primarily carried out by state governments through their respective transport departments. Traffic police also play a crucial role in enforcing traffic regulations and penalizing violators. The Motor Vehicles Act, 1988, thus serves as a comprehensive framework to ensure the safe and orderly use of road transport in India, addressing issues related to driver licensing, vehicle registration, traffic management, and road safety.